Good evening, all of you. Switch on your video fast. Quickly, all of you switch on your video fast. Now we are going to study the chapter number 10 first. Cell cycle and cell division. Small chapter of 11th standard, one of the smallest chapter, but remember, very, very important for NEET point of view, as well as theory exam. Right? Very short, narrow, just you have to understand the concept, events which are occur in a sequential format. You can easily learn this chapter, right? Though it's a small, but remember, very, very important chapter. So chapter number 10, cell cycle and cell division, right? You know, cell division basically of two types, mitosis and meiosis, right? Mitosis and meiosis. Next, what is cell cycle? Cell division, you know that in that the division occurs. One cell divides into two daughter cells or the four daughter cells, depending on the what type of cell division occurs. So what is cell cycle over here? Cell cycle, see, the cell which undergo cell division that now ready for the division to divide into that daughter cell. One of the example for you, okay, you all are going to, okay, for giving that the NEET exam. So directly just take admission in 11th and 12th standard and without any preparation, can you able to give the NEET exam? Yes or no? Your final test? No, right? Without not, see, you have to prepare for that first, right? Same thing, before cell divides, cell prepare themselves for the division. In that, one cell is there, suppose this is the cell, this cell undergoes cell division like mitosis and divides into two daughter cells. Cell has nucleus, cell has their all cytoplasmic organelles and the cytoplasm is there, right? In that, when this cell divides into two daughter cells, at that time, this two daughter cell, this parental cell has to be distribute that nucleus into two daughter cell equally, right? So first, what is the job of this parental cell that undergoing cell division? That it has to prepare two nucleus. It has to double their genetic material. Yes or no? Before undergoing cell division, it has to be prepared for which it has to be made first. That's the doubling that genetic material. Second thing, same that it has to, this parental cell give the cytoplasm and cytoplasmic content to their daughter cell equally. So whatever cytoplasmic content present in this parental cell, again it should be double, right? So for this, to prepare, okay, before cell divides, parental cell prepare themselves to give their genetic content, to give their cytoplasmic content equally into their daughter cells. बोलिए, फर्स्ट कंसेप्ट क्लियर है, राइट? First, parental cell, the cell which undergoing cell division, it's ready, it prepare themselves by increasing, by doubling that genetic content, by doubling that cytoplasmic content, it prepare themselves for the further division, whether it's a mitosis or meiosis, right? So this phase, this part we call cell cycle. Okay, this part we call the cell cycle. Now, cell cycle, okay, cell cycle, phases of the cell cycle when we see first, okay, basically cell cycle is divided, right? This entire thing. See, one parental cell divides into two daughter cells. So parental cell complete its life cycle by forming that daughter cell. Now the same thing over here. This cell divides into two daughter cell further. This one also divides into two daughter cell. So now this one become parental. And once it form that two daughter cells, their job is over. Their life is over. Right? So cell cycle and cell division, in that, first of all, the phase in which the cell prepare themselves, get ready for themselves for the division, to give equally everything, that nuclear and that's the cytoplasmic content, to their daughter cells, that phase we call interphase. That phase we call the interphase. Plus, once the cell ready, raw materials are ready, right? See, for preparation, for need preparation, you have to buy your NCERT book, you have to buy that other that's a reference book, right? You have to give certain taste also, certain बोलते because some of them are not giving regularly, so certain, otherwise you have to give all the taste, whether you have prepared correctly or not, to check yourself, right? This is also very important. So same thing happens in case of this cells also. So first, that phase we call the interphase, in which the raw materials are ready. Next thing, that's the cell divides, right? Cell divides, that we call M phase. That we call the which phase? M phase, right? M phase, whether M stands for mitosis or else meiosis, means cell division, right? This part we call cell division. Here we call interphase. So cell division plus interphase together we call cell cycle. Cell division plus interphase, that we call cell cycle. All of you clear up to here? Introduction part, initial, that's the.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the need? Why should we need study this thing? So remember one of the scientists' name who gave one theory, omnis celluli cellula. याद है किसी को? फर्स्ट चैप्टर जो हमने लर्न किया था, फर्स्ट मीन्स in classes first, otherwise chapter number 8. Can you tell me anyone who gave this theory, omnis celluli cellula? Anyone? No one, है ना? कीर्तन, remember?
हाँ मैम, वो स्टेटमेंट याद है, पर वो बहुत कंफ्यूजन बहुत हो रहा है।
Rudolf Virchow, remember? Who gave this statement? Rudolf Virchow. Remember Sheldon, Schwann, cell theory, and then Rudolf Virchow. Okay, anyone tell me that what is the meaning of that omnis celluli cellula? बोलो कीर्तन.
every cell exists from the pre-existing cell.
Yes, every cells are formed from the pre-existing cell, right? So, ये suppose a parental cell is from daughter cells, so right? This one is the parental, these two are the daughter cells. So these cells are formed. Can I say that from this cell when cell division occurs? So each and every cell, remember, they are formed from the pre-existing cell, and that phenomenon we call that entire cell cycle and cell division. With the help of this cell cycle and cell division, new cells can be formed from the pre-existing cell, right? Next, cell, is it required cell division? Can anyone tell me if cell doesn't divide, then what happens? What is the importance of that cell division? Use your mind. Bolo Kirtan.
Ma'am, if a cell will not divide, then growth will not occur, and also
Mhm.
the metabolism process will slow down.
Metabolism process slow down. Growth, correct. Remember growth definition. Definition of growth. Remember anyone? Increase in number of mass, increase in number of cells are find characteristic features of the growth. So increasing the number of cell, how one cell when divides into two, two divides into four, four divides into eight, right? By that way, the cell number can increase and that leads to the growth, right? So growth, reproduction in case of the prokaryotes, prokaryotes particularly, not prokaryotes only, eukaryotes and prokaryotes both, but unicellular organism. In both category, prokaryote as well as eukaryote, unicellular organisms are present. If you remember, amoeba, right? Amoeba. So amoeba, unicellular organism. From that, just with the help of, remember that binary fission, two daughter amoeba are formed. Binary fission. Binary fission is a type of, okay, in that actually division occurs, that's a mitosis. Two amoeba are formed, daughter amoeba, that's why we call it a binary fission, right? So unicellular organism के लिए reproduction, cell division is equal to reproduction. For multicellular organism, division is equal to what? Growth. When division occur in the cell, that leads to the growth. So growth and reproduction, for this two characteristic feature, this cell division is required, right? Remember, each and every organism, if you remember, they arise from a single cell, right? And that single cell we call zygote, yes or no? Right? That single cell we call the zygote. Now in zygote, further division occur, right? In zygote, further division occur. One cell to two, two to four, four to eight, eight to 16. Just imagine in our body how many cells are present. Millions of cells are there. In our body, millions of microscopic cells are microscopic. So millions of cells are there, right? So this many times, just imagine that cell division occur, an entire body is formed only from that one cell. Just imagine if this cell doesn't undergo this type of the cell division, right? Then all organism remain what? Unicellular organism. No evolution occur. But due to this thing happens, unicellular organism now converts into which one? Multicellular organism, right? And the more and more evolved organisms are formed with the help of this cell division phenomenon, correct? Now we are going to study in detail that cell cycle. Very important. Cell cycle when we see the definition of cell cycle, then in that sequence of the events by which cell duplicates its genome, right? In this one, cell cycle, in that series of events in which cell duplicates its content and divide into two daughter cells. As we have discussed, one is an interphase, other is a M phase, right? Series of events occur in which cell duplicate, remember its genetic content as well as cytoplasmic content. Once the everything is double, everything become double, then cell undergoing cell division process, right? Some of the cell, see, we can't say that each and every cell requires same time period for cell cycle. Itself cycle meaning understand plus division, prepare plus division, that we call the cell cycle. Ab dekho, all of you, right? Just imagine you all you all are giving that the NEET exam. For that, you all are preparing for NEET, right? You all will give the test, NEET test. You all get the same result. No. Next, to prepare everything, you all require same time. Suppose one chapter, chapter number 8, right? All require same time period to prepare that chapter. No. Some of you require very less time, some of you require the very much time, right? It depends on the capacity, it depends on the the power of the cell. So same thing over here, that duration of cell cycle is different. Human cell, one cell divides into two daughter cells, that is within 24 hours. That's why कहीं पे कट लगता है ना, right? तो wound healing के लिए थोड़ा time लगता है, right? One cell divides into 2 to 4, 4 to 8. जितना cut area ज्यादा होगा, it will take little bit longer time, right? So human cell, one cell to divide into two cell require 24 hours. Yeast cell require 90 minutes. Paramecium required 30 minutes. Bacteria required 20 minutes. E. coli bacteria may, okay? In general, any bacteria actually require the 20 minutes. Right? Some of them even like fruit fly. Okay, fruit fly require hardly that's 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, fruit fly, one of the insects that require hardly 8 to 10 minutes to complete its cell cycle. Prepare, divide, everything. Right? So these are the some examples. Yeast cell 90 minutes, human cell 24 hours. Right? ये minute and hours different है. 24 minute मत लिखना humans में. Right? Rest all in lower organism, that's in minute. 90, 30, 20. Now, cell cycle and cell division, in that phases of cell cycle, first that's the interphase. This interphase, see, cell cycle, cell division, mitosis, meiosis concept, please all of you, okay, clear कर देना. Otherwise, see in each and every chapter, अब देखो chapter number 2 में भी आया था ये words mitosis, meiosis. Yes or no? Fungal आपने that's the reproduction हमने learn किया था, aplanospore formation, conidia form करने के लिए. Same thing chapter number 3 में, आप 3 में भी आया है, plant kingdom में, right? Chapter number 8 में भी है itself. In each and every chapter actually you get this word mitosis, meiosis or cell cycle, cell division. Clear कर देना ये आप not for only 11, 12. wherever you go after this 11th and 12th, any field, MBBS है, nursing है, pharmacy है, any field, this will come, right? Basics clear रखोगे तो applicative easy हो जाएगा. Clear? चलिए, we will go very slowly for this. Now, interface is divisible into three phases that we call G1. First we call G1, then S and G2. G1, S and G2. Right? G1 we call gap 1. Then S is a synthesis phase. G2 is gap 2. G1 gap 1, S synthesis, G2 gap 2. Right? Now next. In this interface mainly growth of the cell occurs. Growth of the cell. Growth of the cell in terms of what? Remember na, that nuclear content become double and cytoplasmic content become double. That we call the growth. Right? Anything increase that we call the over here growth. So first G1 as G2. Now, next thing, first that's the G1. At the end we we summarize each and everything. Understand. Okay. First that's the G1. Now, one of the cell is there, the nucleus. Now this cell undergo the cell cycle in that first interface. Interface, the first stage that we call that's the G1. G1 phase, remember sequence ये था G1 S G2, right? For interface. Can anyone tell me, in after interface, to complete the cell cycle, dash happens to the cell. After interface, we have discussed cell cycle is equal to dash plus dash. बोलिए आयुषी.
M phase.
Correct, M phase, right? So G1 as G2, once the cell, this much we call interface. Once the cell prepare themselves, then M phase occur. Right? Cell divides into their two daughters. Now, so first cell in a G1 phase. So G1 phase, okay, one more thing before that. Just imagine over here my cell division occur and two daughter cells are formed. Now, what happens to these two daughter cells? These daughter cells doing what now? They behave as a parent cell. Again, they further divide, they undergo the cell cycle, and that it completes their cell cycle. Means interface plus M. Interface plus M. So again, ये किसमें जाएगा? ये G1 S G2. फिर इसका भी डिवीजन हो जाएगा further to, right? Cycle repeats for mitosis. G1 S G2 M. Again same. The cells which are formed in by the cell division that further undergo that G1 as G2, right? बोलो, आपको पहले इतना follow हुआ? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. G1 as G2 M. Sequence यही होना चाहिए, right? G1 G2 S wrong. G1 as G2 and then division M. बोलिए शुभ.
मैम
शुभ बोलो.
ये जो लास्ट G1 G2 S होगा ना वो रिपीट करो.
चलो G1 S G2 M. M in that the division occur, right? M we refer for that the division. So whether mitosis or meiosis, so over here division is there. Here consider that's the mitosis, right? First. Next, so mitosis, one cell divides into two. Now these cells again further divide into two. Before division, they again pass from this G1 as G2 and then they divide into two. Same happens to this cell also, G1 as G2 and then 2. Right? Now again same, these all 4 cells perform. First they undergo G1 as G2 and divides into 2. So that's why we call one cell divides into 2, 2 cell divides into 4, 4 के बाद 8 फॉर्म होंगे. राइट? शुभ क्लियर है इतना?
हाँ मैम.
Now, so first G1 phase, remember that comes, right? It's a period between mitosis, right? M के बाद again this cell perform G1 and S. So remember in this way, G1 is a period between that mitosis and synthesis phase. ये लाइन में किसी को भी डाउट है तो बोलो. I can repeat. G1 phase that occurs between mitosis and the S. Because ये cycles repeat ही होते रहेंगे. You can make out ना. यहाँ पे M हुआ, फिर this cells again undergo that interphase. So G1 as G2. इससे जो cells आएंगे वो divide होंगे तो M. Again repeat. This cells undergoing that G1 as G2 and फिर again वो divide हो जाएंगे. Right? So every time if we can make out, G1 comes between which two phase? M and synthesis. Same for over here, M and synthesis. Right? So first period between, that's the S synthesis phase and the mitotic phase. Now, next, remember cells are metabolically active. Metabolically active meaning what over here? It produces more amount of energy. It requires the more amount of energy in terms of that ATP molecules, right? Cells produce energy in terms of what? That ATP molecules, you know, adenosine triphosphate, ATP molecules are required. So in this phase, okay, cells remain active. Cells are metabolically active. But here genetic content doesn't become double, means no DNA replication. रेप्लिका मीनिंग पता है आपको? आप मिरर के सामने खड़े हो जाओ, सेम इमेज दिखेगा आपका, राइट? रेप्लिका मीनिंग मिरर इमेज. रेप्लिका मीनिंग व्हाट? मिरर इमेज in short. So DNA replication not occur in G1. Here cells are metabolically active, so it produces more amount of that ATP because cell को G1 as G2 में जाना है, फिर divide होना है, it needs much more energy, right? So remember here cells are metabolically active but do not produce or do not perform the DNA replication process. तो gap 1 और G1 के लिए आपको ये 3 points learn करने हैं. That comes, this period comes between M and S. Next, cells are metabolically active and no DNA replication. Next, after G1, the second phase that we call the S phase. This S phase, S refers for synthesis, right? S refers for what? Synthesis. So synthesis of what over here? DNA. In this phase, DNA replication occurs. In this phase, DNA replication occurs. Now understand, DNA replication occurs meaning what? In a cell, in a parental cell, suppose this is a parental cell. Inside the parental cell, one chromosome is there. You know chromosome, remember na? Chromatid plus centromere. Yes or no? Primary constriction, centromere, right? We have learned in chapter number 8. You have to remember. Next, so when replication occurs, so can I say that this one is a one chromosome, this one is a second chromosome? Yes or no? See, chromosome याद रखना, centromere plus, chromatid plus centromere. This is the chromatid plus centromere, right? We call chromosome. Whether it's a two sister chromatids and centromere, also known as chromosome. Difference क्या है? यहाँ पे just one single chromatid is there. Here two chromatids are there. But chromatid plus centromere you called chromosome. नोट डाउन करना है तो करना, MCQs आएंगे काउंटिंग बेस्ड, उसमें फिर लास्ट में ट्रबल नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? क्रोमोसोम इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? सेंट्रोमियर प्लस क्रोमेटिड, राइट? क्रोमेटिड numbers may vary, 2 chromatids plus centromere, 1 chromatid plus centromere, but both are ultimately known as what? Chromosome, right? चलिए next point. So now tell me, just okay, you can shake your hands, I can understand that this, can I consider this one is a one chromosome, this one is a second chromosome, right? और आपको शेप अगर ऐसे बनाना है तो I can make in this way. Clear? Now the DNA replication, ये parental cell का composition है, right? Parental cell composition. Just imagine that parental cell has two chromosomes. Two different chromosomes. One more thing, two different chromosomes. We use two different color over here, right? These two are different chromosomes. फर्स्ट नंबर के क्रोमोसोम के पास जो जीन्स होंगे वो सेकंड पे नहीं होंगे, सेकंड के जीन्स फर्स्ट के ऊपर नहीं होंगे, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट, एंड व्हेन दिस सेल डिवाइड इट फॉर्म्स द टू डॉटर सेल, राइट? अभी ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि चलो रेड वाला इसको दे दो, ब्लू वाला इसको दे दो, दिस ब्लू वन गो विद द सेकंड वन, राइट? इट इज अनफेयर. नेक्स्ट, so to give equal distribution, equal amount of DNA content over here, first this strand becomes double, right? ये कैसे होता है? How this happen? That we will see in standard 12th chapter number 6 small bio. Till date, till then remember, okay, just DNA replication occur, meaning what? One that's a chromatid is there, same type of chromatid is formed, right? जो genes ये parental chromatid में होंगे, same type of genes are formed in this new strand of chromatid. Same, no change, replica है ये, right? Same thing happens to this one, blue. Now we can say that again, same. When DNA replication is done, yes, बोलो.
आपका आवाज कट के आ रहा है.
My voice is clear or not? All of you, please tell. Okay, meet will end
Before
soon.
it was
Please.
lagging.
Okay. Meet will end soon. Rejoin. Okay. So at the end of the DNA replication,